Hi, this is David releasing the new concrete slab calculator. So to get started, we're going to click on add new calculation. Once we are in the use menu, we can scroll down to the walls and slabs section where we will see the concrete slab calculator initially on a beta version. So once we click on it, we're going to get this warning. And by clicking yes, we're going to make sure that we are aware that we will be using a beta template. So once we click on yes, we're going to be able to start using our calculator. Initially, I would recommend to use a detailed view of the calculator. That way we will be able to see all different widgets and calculations that are being done here. So as you can see here, we have a very similar calculator to what we have for the concrete beam calculator. So we're going to be able to do very similar things. Some of the main difference here and that we can point out is that for the slab calculator, we are not going to have an option to input the width of the slab. The main reason for this is because we are giving all the results in by unit width. Some of the other difference here is that now we are going to have um, a different minimum allowable cover according to the reinforcement size. So if we have a reinforcement size greater than 11, we're gonna be getting an error here, and we're gonna point out that the cover is not enough and that it has to be changed. So for the example, I'm going to be using reinforcement size number 3 with a rebar spacing of 10 inches. And as you can see here, another difference that we have is that now we have the option to either have or not the top compression reinforcement, or in the case of the negative moment regions, we're gonna have or not the bottom compression reinforcement. So once we click on yes, allowing to have the top or bottom compression reinforcement, we're gonna see the compression calculations done below it. So once we start scrolling down, as you can see, we can input different values for the spacing, and if we are out of the range that is given here, we're gonna be getting like different mistakes. So having number 3 every 10 inches, we will be in this range. And scrolling down, you can see that now we don't have the possibility to add shear reinforcement. The main reason for this is that for slabs, we don't usually have shear reinforcement. So we are only considering the capacity of the concrete in this case. And as we exceed the capacity of the concrete, we're going to be getting here. And something really nice to point out is that we are going to be able to check all different um, deflections on spans. So even if we are not in the values that the standards give us for thickness, we're going to be able to check different deflections and to make sure that our slab is according to the standard. Thank you so much. I really wait for your feedback, and I hope this calculator is going to be useful for every one of you. Thank you. Bye.